So I posted a picture of a bride and groom at nighttime, and the question was, is this picture backlit? Like, is this image backlit? And whenever someone says backlit, that means there was a light literally behind them. So yes, it was. And what I do is I point my flash, I put my flash behind them, pointing toward their back. And I have pocket wizards on my camera. And on my camera, I have the pocket wizards and my on-camera flash. And my on-camera flash and pocket wizard triggers the off-camera flash that's pointed behind them. And what that does is it pops a light behind them, kind of like resembles the sun. And it gives them dimension. It helps them pop off the darkness behind them. So anytime I'm taking portraits or like a sparkler exit, I'll always have them backlit, always have a flash pointed toward the couple, and all that does is it makes them pop off the back of the darkness. So yes, it is always backlit if I have a chance to do that. The next question was, how does white balance work with flash? It works the exact same way if you're shooting in Kelvin. I shoot in Kelvin my white balance, so I can manually adjust the temperature of my white balance. I also put orange gels on top of my flashes because 9 out of 10 times the light that is in receptions or at night, they're gonna be that tungsten color. They're gonna be an orange color. So if I can match my flash, which is equal to daylight color, if I can put an orange gel on top of it, then that orange flash is going to match the tungsten lights in the reception center. And what I do is I turn my Kelvin all the way down to 3200 or 3100. And what that does is it balances all of the lights down to a white. Okay, it's white balance. It balances the oranges and puts them down to looking like a white light. So if you look at my sparkler exits or my reception lighting, you're not going to see those dark, dingy orange lights that are really there. You're going to see the bright white lights because I've balanced, I've matched all of the lights to be the same color. And then I balanced it down. I cooled it down all the way down to 3100 so that now the orange looks white. If that makes sense. That's like a game changer with flash photography.